I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Silly Michael, what?
Look at this big bag, J Beauties. I was honestly not expecting to get so many things from Ulta, but I did. I'm excited to show you guys everything that I got. I got skincare, I got makeup, I got a little bit of everything. But before we do start with this video, I want to show you guys my makeup. It's so pretty. I'm so proud of myself for doing this look. The eyeshadow was really fast, to be honest. I think this look is really good and really easy for those of you guys that are new, like to makeup and stuff like that. It honestly didn't take me a lot of time, but I am excited to show you guys this video. So without further ado, let me just jump right into the good stuff. The whole reason why I went into Ulta was because I needed to restock on some of my skincare products, and these are my favorite from The Ordinary. This is a toner, and this is a niacinamide. I don't know if I'm spelling that right. Oh, niacinamide, 10%. This is what it looks like. And this is the toner. I honestly love these two products. Last year around this time, I was breaking out so much from my skin, and I started using The Ordinary, and it literally changed my whole skincare routine. Let me tell you guys, this is the best toner I have yet to try. Moving on to the next, I did get this tryout size of the La Roche-Posay. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right either. What the hell? Van a pensar que estoy mensa o que no sé hablar o no sé qué, pero some of these words are a little hard, okay? But this is what it looks like. And in here I have a cleanser, a toner, and a acne treatment, since I do want to go ahead and start getting rid of some of the acne scars and all that. This is how they look. This is step 1, 2, and 3. So the whole reason why I did wanted to try out this skincare line is because last time I went to Ulta, I did try out this Double Repair Face Moisturizer. It also does have a broad spectrum CPF 30. So I honestly think this is a really good combo. Really like it. And as you guys can see, I'm almost out of it. I still have a little bunch, but I've been using this daily, to be honest, especially during the day. I am definitely excited to try these out. I am all about skincare, honestly. I feel that if you don't take care of your skin before you even put makeup on, your makeup is not going to look the same. It might look dry. It either might look oily. It'll break you out. It's just not the same thing for me if I don't prep my skin really good before I even put makeup on. So yes, I do think that is very important. So moving on to the next. For the next lip products that I did get was a lip balm. I honestly feel that this is the best lip balm drugstore product that you could get. Honestly, I've been using this for the past 6 months, and when I tell you guys that I love chapsticks, lip balms, I am telling you guys that I've already bought like maybe all the type of brands that you guys can imagine at the drugstore. But when I tried this one, I was like, oh, like, why have I not ever tried this one before? This is such an amazing lip balm. Like, I cannot stay with my lips dry. I carry one of these everywhere I go. I always have a backup on lip balms. So this is definitely a must for me. I did want it to restock because the other one I am almost out of it. So I highly recommend this one. It is pretty affordable. A good thing about Ulta is that you can honestly get high-end products and you can also get drugstore products, so which I love. You know, you definitely have a mix of both. And Moving on to this next one. Dude, like I never knew that MAC had mini lipsticks. These are so freaking cute. Let me get it out of here. OMG, honestly, like, and it does have a lot of product. Look at that. What? I am excited. I honestly think this is perfect for like when you're going out and stuff like that. Let me show you guys the other one, the normal size. So this is the normal size and this is the mini size. I am all about mini sizes. I am all about like small products. Sometimes you don't use everything that you get. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna clean up the inner of my lips. I'm gonna try and leave the liner so I can show you guys how it looks. The name of this color is Velvet Teddy Matte Lipstick, but I do feel like it's a little bit more pink. You guys do see like the lip liner looks more brown than the lipstick, but I don't care. I don't mind it at all. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and give it a try. I'll definitely be using this one. Okay, now this one I want to try. I am also so excited for this one. Honestly, I haven't even tried it on. Like literally, I've just been waiting to try it with you guys and share like what it's all about in my first experience. They do have Kylie Jenner products at the Ulta store. Kylie Jenner did recently change her whole makeup line to make it better with the products and all that stuff. So yes, let's see what they're all about. Okay, doesn't smell like anything. Okay, I definitely do think this is very light, like super light. I hope the lipstick is not as light. It is light. Well, I'm not sure if I really like the color, but wow, it dries up really fast. I feel like the color is way too light. I mean, it's not an ugly color or anything. It's really nice, but I just feel like it's too light. Wow, it dried up really fast. Dries up super fast. Sometimes lipsticks that are too light make me feel like I ain't got no lips. Like, I don't know, for some reason, that's just me. Honestly, she didn't have a lot of things there too, so this was like the closest brown that I wanted to get. It definitely doesn't look as dark as this brown from the cover. Oh, okay. So you definitely can't take it off just like this. Let me get some of my makeup remover and check if that works. See, I knew it. I like that though, that they stay on. Okay, yes, that helped out. Wow, so this is definitely long lasting. I honestly really like that. I feel like this will be good for when you're going out for like the whole day or the whole night. I feel like her products are like really good to stay in your lips. Moving on to the next lip products. I did see this one go viral on TikTok. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Shine Loud. It does have two sides to it. I think this is the color and this is the gloss, and it's also supposed to stay on your lips for a long time. I'm gonna get my Murillo Twin lip liner. You guys don't use lip liners before you put your lipstick on, you guys are missing out. Honestly, I cannot do my lips anymore without drawing my lips first. I don't know, if for some reason I really like how it looks. So let's give this a try. Oh, okay. Damn, this looks bigger than I expected. Doesn't smell like anything either. Let's try it out. Oh my god. Okay, this is more of an orange look. This is definitely a little bigger, but it's so nice. Okay, está un poquito pegajoso. It's like sticky. I don't know if you guys can see my lips. Let it dry. The color is really nice. It's between like a brown. Whoa. Damn, it's really sticky. What the hell? I hope it doesn't stay like that. It's a like brown but orange at the same time. Ah, what the hell is this? It's like hella dry and sticky. Now let me try on the other one before I even start judging the product. Ooh, okay. Look at the brush. Let me try it. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll tell you guys my opinion about it, okay? I'm moving on to the next. I did get this Maybelline Lasting Fix Banana Translucent Setting Powder. I've been hearing so much about it too on TikTok that I did wanted to just get one and try it out, and I honestly love the size. Like, I feel like this is good for you when you're traveling, good to go, like to keep it on your purse. I feel like all my other setting powders are so big and bulky that they do take a lot of space, so I did like the size. I've been wanting to try another setting powder, so this is gonna be a new one for me to try. I did wanted to restock also on my current favorite eyebrow pencil. Honestly, this is from the same brand as this. They are both from the brand Maybelline, and this is such a good eyebrow pencil. I am in love with eyebrow pencils right now, that eyebrows are a trend on a more natural look. I feel like pencils are very, very helpful for your eyebrows not to look so dark and intense, especially me that I have a lot of hairs in my eyebrows. So yes, definitely a pencil has been my best friend, but I feel like the consistency of this is so good. Like, it's creamy, it's not so dry. I was literally obsessed with the brand Morphe for a good amount of time, but I felt that it was a little too dry sometimes. I felt like my pencil was gonna break, so I didn't like that until I found this one. So yes, definitely, if you guys are looking into a new brow pencil or just to try out something new, you guys should definitely try out this one. I got this one on a medium brown for me. And okay, this concealer right here, I've been trying to get this concealer and I just never get it whenever I go to Ulta. Okay, when I was at Ulta, I was already coming with the big product, right? And once you're getting close to the cashier section, you have like a whole bunch of little products, which I honestly love. I feel like there they get you too. Once you're done shopping around the whole store, you have a bag full, you still get to the register, and then you start looking into more stuff, and I'm like, man, but whatever. I did get this one in a mini size. I was lucky enough to find my same color. So yes, I've been hearing so many good things about this brand. I was trying to get the foundation too, but honestly, it was so hard. Like, they had so many colors that I just felt like my color was a little either too white or too yellow. And this one of the girls that I watch on YouTube too is always bragging about the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is what it looks like. Let me spray it on my face. Oh, it comes with two tops because I didn't spray anything. I was excited when I kept finding mini stuff and mini travel sizes. I was like, yes, Ulta, come through. You guys need more stuff like this, because honestly, don't want to spend so much money on products that we don't know if they work and we're just trying to try it out. Honestly, love Real Technique sponges. Like, I feel like they are so good. I have so many of these. I feel like these are my favorite ones. They're very affordable, very good quality too. So when they saw that they had these different color ones and they had a mini one, medium, and a bigger one, I was like, yes, let me go ahead and try it out. It says for liquid, cream, and powder. They were about $11, so I thought $11 for these three were a really, really good price on them. And you know what? I totally forgot about this one when I was doing the skincare products. I was trying out so many eye creams there at the store. because the one that I wanted to get, they didn't have it. I'll post a picture here. It is very expensive, but honestly, this eye cream is so good. I was telling you guys, when I was there at Ulta, I was trying so many eye creams on my hands, and honestly, I didn't find anything as good as this Clinique bottle here. Look at this product. I don't know if you guys can see what it has inside, but it is just satisfying to me. I've not used it yet. It does say Moisture Surge Eye 96 Hour Hydro Filler Concentrated. When I put it in my hand, I left it there and it was super creamy. It was like more of a thick consistency. And honestly, it stayed in my hand for more than the others did. Like, I saw such a difference that I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and grab this one. I do feel like Clinique is more of a high-end, you know, and it is very expensive too. So I just want to tell you guys, because I am in love with this and I have not even tried it yet on my eyes. So I'm just excited to try honestly all these products. Some I have not tried before, and the others I have tried. So yes, and with all these things that I got, I did also get two presents. One was from Clinique. I guess if you got a Clinique product, or I don't know if you spend so much money on it, you do get a free little gift. So I did get another moisturizer from the brand Clinique, and it's such a cute size too. Like I said, I am all about cute sizes like this, and look at this. This is so cute and pretty. Lastly, I also did get this Bare Mineral bag with these 3 products inside. The bag is super simple. On the inside, it does say Bare Minerals. These are the 3 products that come in here. It does come with another skincare product. This is for wrinkles. You do put this on at nighttime. So damn, I literally got a lot of skincare products without even me wanting to, but I don't mind it at all. I really like it. It says apply after cleansing at nighttime. So yes, I am excited to try this one out too. Yes, and I've honestly heard so many good things about their powder that I was between this one and this one. So I am happy that at the end of the day I got both of them, because that's what I wanted. But I was like, no, I should just go one by one. And this is just a cute size too. See, you can take this anywhere. This is also a finishing powder. Look at this. So I am excited that I got both of them, just what I wanted, and me without even knowing. So yes. And the last thing is a primer. I am so happy this one came in here, because I have not used a different primer and I feel like I needed to already look for a primer. See how this primer works. Excited for all these new stuff that I got. Honestly, I feel like I got a little bit of everything. High-end drugstore. I honestly love Ulta just because I feel like you get a lot of products. Don't get me wrong, I feel like Ulta is expensive too, but you get more products than when you go to Sephora. I feel like you go into Sephora and you literally waste $100 in 2 things, and it's like, ah, really? I don't know, that's just my preference. I don't know about do you guys see that? I don't know about this lipstick. It just left me crumbles all over my fingers right now that I am touching it, and I was really hyped about using it, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it another try, see what happens. But it is definitely a little weird, and it was definitely a little hard for me to use. And that is it, J Beauties, for this Ulta haul. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give me that like, hit that bell, that way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and last but not least, subscribe to my channel. Peace.